So now we're ready to export the video. The first thing that we need to do is to select what we want to export. To do that, we're going to select our endpoint. We're going to get the time indicator and bring it all the way over to the beginning. Okay, and press I on the keyboard. And then we're going to choose the out point here. You can actually move the time indicator over to the very end, but what I like to do is hold down Shift and then move the time indicator, and it automatically snaps here to the very end of the clip. It just makes it easier when editing. And then I'm going to press O on the keyboard to select the out point, and now everything within this section is going to be exported. So the next step is to go to File, Export, Media, click Media. And now here under the export settings, the format will be H.264, preset is custom. Here for output name, let's change that. Video. This is where the video file is going to be located. It's going to be on the desktop once it's exported, and the file format is going to be .mp4. All right, click Save. Here under Summary, these are all the output settings that you can see here. 1920 by 1080 aspect ratio, 24 frames per second for the video. And let's keep moving down here. Under the Video tab right here, we'll scroll till we hit bitrate settings. And bitrate encoding, you can see that you have some options here. We're going to keep it at VBR 2-pass, and then the target bitrate will be 16, and maximum bitrate will be 50 megabytes per second. So YouTube's recommended export settings for 1080p is 8 megabytes per second, but I'm going to keep it at 16 megabytes per second because anything past 16, you're really not going to see any major difference in quality. So I chose the range of 16 and 50 megabytes per second for when it renders and is able to read the information of the fast moving movements within the video so that it doesn't come out pixelated or anything like that. So just remember that a higher bitrate means a bigger file size for your video, but also a higher quality for your video as well. And then we're going to check Use Maximum Render Quality. And then right here is the estimated file size is going to be 168 megabytes. So now that you already have your settings already set for exporting 1080p video, you can actually save yourself time by creating an export preset so that you don't have to go through the same process over and over again when you export your videos. So we're going to click this icon right here where it says Save Preset, and then now we can type in the name of the preset, MZF Course Preset. And let's see here. You don't have to check these, just press OK. And now you can see that it's already set here. Once everything looks good, click Export. And the video should show up on the desktop once it's done exporting.
Hi, my name is Carlton Dennis, and I help everyday taxpayers avoid paying taxes legally. As a tax strategist, I have built my career by following wealthy entrepreneurs and implementing their success habits into my daily life. Instead of keeping this information to myself, I decided to share it, and this form of radical transparency has led to my success as a tax strategist as well as a real estate investor. I spend my time now educating real estate investors and business owners on how to leverage the tax laws to offset their income in combinations with their goals and visions. My success habits stem from those I follow, such as adopting the habit of waking up at 4 a.m. to work out. I wake up at 4 a.m. because I believe in pushing my body to its limits right in the morning, doing the hardest thing I possibly can right at the start of the day, so that when I'm faced with difficulties when I get into the office, I have the mental toughness to handle those problems. I have established awareness to time management and other success habits that you can implement into your daily life. As we pursue this journey towards financial freedom, I promise to hold you accountable to your success habits. I plan to be your guide as you remain steadfast on building wealth in today's day and age. I'm Carlton Dennis. Let's begin our journey today.